Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Jo, this is Joey Sewy and welcome to my new sewing space. Now, if all goes well, this is actually the second video that you've seen from this space, or maybe even the third, but it's the first one that I'm filming. So I'm working out the lighting, I'm working out the sound and stuff, so hopefully it's all good. And the reason why I'm filming this first, but it might be the second or third one that you see, is because I want to do an unboxing of something very exciting that I have treated myself to for my sewing space. So what is the very exciting thing? Well, I think, in fact, if I'm wrong, this is going to be a really short video that you'll never see, but I think in this very large box is a bespoke made-to-measure cutting mat for my table. So I've had this table for a while. I'm just going to heave this box. It's quite heavy and it's very big. Okay, so I've had this table for a while. It is an IKEA height adjustable table. I love it. It's great for cutting, and it is 160 centimeters long, so from here to the wall, and it is 60 centimeters wide. Now I've been converted to rotary fabric cutting for quite a long time, and up until now I've been using these gigantic Alpha branded rotary cutter mats, and I've got a pair, so I've had these. Well, my dad bought me them, so I can date them because unfortunately my dad died 10 years ago this year, so I've had them more than 10 years, and they are great. However, I used to use them when I had I've got a sewing room, which is a luxury, but when I had the double luxury of having two of these desks next to each other, and if you've watched any of my old school videos from sort of 3 years ago or more, you will have seen that in my old sewing room. But I don't have that space now. It was a massive luxury, and I don't have that space now, so I have one desk. Now these are wider than, so in this orientation, they're wider than my desk, and in this orientation, they are narrower than my desk. And if I put two of them together, like one and then one in lengthways, they're also longer than my desk. So essentially it's what I've been using, but they either overhang or are scant, don't reach the edge, or both, whichever way I use them. And also quite a few years I went against all of the guidelines that you will get when you buy a cutting mat, and I used an iron-on one, so they also have ripply edges, which you can see here, which means that the clamps that hold them together you don't really need, and if they go flat they don't work either. So I'm going to donate these via our local recycling page because they're good for someone. I've still been using them for years, but I wanted to treat myself to a made-to-measure mat, so I invested in one. Now I'm going to get my scissors and start unboxing this thing. I found a company about 3 years ago. That's how long I've been wanting to do this. And I think they're called, in fact let's open the packing thing and I can tell you. They're called Rhino Cutting Mats and Equipment. I'll put a link down below. It's not an affiliate link, sadly, no money off me. But yeah, Rhino Cutting Mats and Equipment, and I found them quite a while ago just by searching in the UK, bespoke cutting mats, and they cut them to size, so hopefully they will have cut them to exactly the right size for my table. I'm just going to break all the safety regulations about using scissors, so look away now. And of course, these are not my fabric scissors. These are my everything else scissors. Nearly there. We're in. It's a genuine unboxing. I literally haven't unpacked it. Oh no, got a bit more to do. There we go. So the order process is pretty simple, but what you do is they've got various qualities to choose from. Mine is a heavy duty cutting mat, which I think was the highest quality that they recommended for rotary cutters. There was one that was slightly higher quality, but for some reason It wasn't recommended for rotary cutters. I don't know. But they have various qualities. They do also sell, honestly this isn't an advert, but they were just, if you want a cutting mat, they seem to sell all the cutting mats. So they do sell the standard green ones. In fact, they sell exactly the ones that I showed you. So if you want those, it's the place you can have a look at. So in here, I've got two things. I've got this, which is, it's a grid that you put under the cutting mat, because the mat, as I've ordered it, is a white, slightly opaque white but clear colour. So the green mats, if you know them, they always have grids on them, and it's really useful. So Rhino sell a grid that you can put underneath your mat. So there's the grid, and then in here, oh, it's heavy. In here is the mat, and the way you order, so here's, I don't know if I can get this out. We'll see in a minute. In there, can you see there's some extra bits? So you order on the form, you put down the size that you want. No, measure what you want, then pick the mat that's only just big enough to do that. So you officially order a slightly bigger mat, and then there's a box and you put exactly the size you want to cut it to. And I think they can do it to the millimetre, or at least you definitely write it into the millimetre, so they can be very accurate. So let's get this onto the table. The ordering and delivery process was super simple and really quick. So I ordered on Monday night and it was here by Wednesday lunchtime. They say 1 to 2 days if you're having it cut to size, and 1 day, 1 business day for delivery if you are not having it cut to size. But I actually had it cut to size and got the 1 day delivery, so that was pretty good. It's come all the way from, where are they located? Brackley. Anyone know where Brackley is? I do not know where Brackley is. NN, Northampton, I think. The south. So a lot of the length of the country. Not that that makes a difference these days. So they also send you the offcuts. That's what I was showing you inside the tube of the cutting mat. So they send me the offcuts of the grid, which they have cut to size. There's only one size of grid, so there'll be a big offcut for this. I'll have to think about whether it's useful or not. So let's have a look. We'll roll it out. And my intention is that it will stay on the table permanently, which, now I know how heavy it is a good job, because it's really heavy. And this should fit perfectly on my table. And those are my offcuts. I don't know what I'll do with those, but those are my offcuts. I think they send you the offcuts partly so they don't have the waste. But you do pay for it, so they send you it. So there is the grid. And then, so it's really thick. Look how thick it is. Can you see? I reckon that is, in fact, I'll know what the measurement is. It is, I'll put it down below because it will be listed on the website. But looking at it, it's less than a centimetre, but more than half a centimetre, I'd say. Maybe 6 or 7 mil thick. Very thick. Much thicker than the green mats. much thicker than the green mats, actually. So, here we are. Everything's falling on the floor. It looks like it's going to take a while to relax. Product specification details. So, here are my offcuts. I don't know what I'm going to do with those. Possibly nothing. Well, it says 4.5mm thick. I really think it's thicker than that, but anyway. Rhino heavy duty cutting mat is a great solution suitable for large applications and fabricating environments where heavy duty cutting mat or industrial workbench protection mat is needed. So it is really heavy duty, but I'm hoping to use this for decades. A great investment for your workplace. Use a light touch when using a knife on your cutting mat. Clean with light soapy water solution. Your mat is likely to be delivered rolled up, so please unroll it as soon as possible and lay it shiny side down. It may take 24 to 48 hours to lay completely flat due to the nature of the material. Once the mat side is totally worn, the reverse can be used, although this will not be as effective as the mat side. Okay. And it's good to know that it's got good electrical and abrasion resistance, so I don't electrocute myself while I am cutting out my fabric. I suppose it was really staticky. Anyway, so I have got to put this, what did it say? Mat side up. Yeah, of course. That means I've got to turn it the other way. All right. Good. Okay, so there it is. It looks the same as the plain table. I'll take you up close. It has still, it's not laying flat yet. It says it takes 24 to 48 hours to do that, so that's fair enough. It's had about 24 to 48 seconds. But I'm really happy with the quality of that, and I will let you know how I get on with using it. So let's have a little close-up of what it looks like, how much of the grid you can see through. So if I push it down, I think you can see the grid. So that isn't as visible as the lines on the green mat, which is on the floor there, to remind you, and a lot of you will be super familiar with that. So there's where the branding is. So I'm sure I can get used to that. The best thing is that now it makes the cutting surface the entire table. So I've got no more things going off the edge and me damaging my rotary cutter because I have slipped off the cutting mat, and all the other fun things that can happen if you slip off the cutting mat. Obviously that's slightly dangerous too. I should tell you how much it cost, but I can't remember. It's not cheap, I will tell you that. It is a real treat. And it's not on here either. It was about £130. Yes, I know, that's a lot of money. But like I said, I had the other ones for over a decade and they are still usable, but I wanted to upgrade, and it's a real treat to myself. I could say pretend it's like for my birthday or something, but it's not. It's just a treat to myself. It's not my birthday. It's not my birthday for ages. So that is my brand new bespoke cutting mat. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful. If you want to ask me anything about it as I'm using it, please ask in the comments down below. And as I say, I will give you an update and let you know how it's going on. Otherwise, I will see you next time with my next video. Bye!